I will start making the magic ring, following I do 1 current, 2 streams, 3 initial currents, and in the sequence we will work 15 double crochet. Here inside this ring, close the ring, close the ring, and then I'll do a wire exchange. Then I'll get my new color. I will insert the needle into the last double crochet. This way, taking the 2 stitch handles, I break the last loop and pass the new wire color inside of these 2 handles. Then insert the needle into the first double crochet. And here I make a slip stitch. Short or bow. I pull up the leftover orange thread. I put forward. I make 2 chains. And here in the same space, I will work 2 double crochet. I will keep making 2 double crochet for each point on the base. This way, let's stick with 30 points. Here at the end of the lap, I will do a color change again. I run the thread inside the 2 handles. And I finish the round making a slip stitch. At the first double crochet, I pull out the leftover green color wire. I place to the front of the piece. Work 2 chains. Now I do 1 double crochet here on first point. At the next point, let's make 1 increase. 2 double crochet at the same point as the base. At the next point, I make 1 double crochet. And at the next point, 1 increase. I continue with this sequence. From a double crochet, arrays all around. Here at the end of the tour, I will make 1 color change. I make 1 slip stitch here on the first point. Now I make 2 chains. And 1 double crochet here on the first point. At the next point, work on double crochet. And at the next point, 1 increase. Let's continue with this sequence of 2 double crochet. 1 increase, all around volta. Again, I will do 1 color change here. Before closing, I make 1 slip stitch here on the first point. Following, I make 2 chains. Loop wire and work a double crochet, just picking up the handle behind the stitch. In the next point, also on the back handle, work 1 double crochet. At the next point, I make a double crochet, also just picking up the handle behind the stitch. After making 3 double crochet, following, I make 1 chain. I jump 1 point from the base, and at the next point, I make a double crochet, picking up the handle behind the stitch. I keep making 3 double crochet in total, all picking up the handle behind the dots. I made the second double crochet and now the third. After making the 3 double crochet, I make a chain, I jump 1 point from the base, and I continue with this. Repetition, all around. Ready, staff? Here I pass the thread, and I make the exchange. I insert the needle into the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. In sequence, I will follow 3 chains to give height from 1 double crochet, 3 and 1 more chain. To make the separation, now I come here in the first space of currents and work 3 double crochet. Within this space, after making the 3 double crochet, I make 1 chain. In the next space of the current, work also 3 double crochet. And I carry this repetition all around. To finish the round, I do 2 more double crochet here in the first space of the current. Where we started, this time, finish the second double crochet. I insert the needle into the 3rd chain, and I make a slip stitch. I do again 1 color change. I develop 3 chains, and now here inside the first space, work plus do, double crochet 1 and 2. I make a separation chain. I go to the next space and work 3 double crochet. I keep this repetition all around. After the end of this tour, I made 1 slip stitch. In the 3rd stream, I make 1 chain and 1 single crochet. Here on the first point, and I will keep making 1 single crochet for each point. We will also make 1 single crochet for every space in the chain. When the round is over, finish the thread. Now I will only pick up 1 thread. I do in the slide. And then I will work 6 streams. Insert the needle into the first chain and make a slip stitch. Now here inside the circle that formed, let's work 8 single crochet. Then leave some leftover wire and finish. Using the tapestry needle, now I'm going to glue it with silicone adhesive. Here in my piece, you can choose anywhere in your piece, but I will paste here in the amendment of the 2nd round, right here in the middle. If you prefer, you can also sew. And that's the result of our crochet piece today. This novel holder that I will use for my wire nieces is one super fast piece to make and also very usual. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked, don't forget to leave your like. You can make this piece with any wire of your choice and that's it.